Hello everyone, welcome back to 𝗙𝗵𝘁. In today's video, I will be sharing email shortcuts and tips that you can use at work to keep you more productive and save you hours in your daily task. If you're like me, getting to work every day, I have tons of email that I need to reply to or how to follow up on. I use these shortcuts to keep me productive and also save me hours at work. So let's dive right into it. Number one, you want to write a new email to someone. Instead of reaching to your mouse, you can easily press Ctrl N and this will open a new box for you where you can write your email and you can send it as needed. The second one, if you have a new email that you want to reply to, instead of reaching to your mouse, you can quickly press Ctrl R. This will open the reply box for this email and you can reply as needed without reaching to your mouse. But this email, you are only replying to the sender. But what if you want to reply to more than one person? You want to reply to everyone. So let's find an email that has more than one recipient. I think this email. So let's say this email, you want to reply to more than one person. Press Ctrl Shift R. This will reply to everyone that is copied in the email, both the sender and also the copy as well. What if you just want to forward the email to your colleagues? So what you need to do, press Ctrl F and this will open the forward. As you see, it says forward attachment and you can enter the colleagues that you want to forward this to. Number three, sometimes we have people reaching out to us that they are not in copy in the email thread and they really want to understand what is going on and they want us to send the email to them. So what you can do, you can loop them in the email. You can use Ctrl Shift R plus add the person. Just put the person's name. You can do this whereby everyone is going to get this email and they will know you are looping in a new person in the email. Or you can simply send it as an attachment. They can just reply to that thread and they can include themselves. To send this email as an attachment, press Ctrl Alt F and this will open the email as an attachment and you can send it to new recipients. Once they click on this, they can get the original email without anyone knowing that you send it to them. So this can come in handy if you just want to send the email to that recipient without anyone knowing you send the email out. Number four, I'm just opening my email and I'm seeing 4, 5 or bunch of email waiting for me to get read. Some of the email is just something I just need to glance through. So one thing I do is to navigate through this as quickly as possible. Instead of opening the email one by one, close it, go to the next one, you can double click on one email to open it in its own tab. To navigate to the next email, press Ctrl dot and this will keep navigating to the next one. And if you want to see previous email back, press Ctrl comma and that will bring you back to the previous email that you already read. Number five, you already read certain email, but you want to keep it on read so that you can follow up later. So you can click on that particular email that you want to put on read, press Ctrl U, and this will make it on read. As you see right now, this is on read. And if you just want to know, oh, you made a mistake, you want to put it in read, just press Ctrl Q and that will make it read for you. Number six, if you're like me, I have different folder where I send different email to because I want to be able to find the email easily whenever I'm looking for it. Looking at this right side, there's different folder that we have here. Let's say we want to move certain email to one of these folder. Right now, it's in inbox folder. Click on that email that you want to move. Press Ctrl Shift V. This will open the folder for you and you can move it to any folder that you like. Let's say we want to move it to sent instead of inbox. So we can move it to sent and click OK and that moved the file to sent for us. Number seven, sometimes we receive promotion email or maybe random email from stranger that we don't know. And if you have this in our inbox and we want to delete it, so just click on the email that you want to delete and press Ctrl D. That will delete the file for you. Number eight, sometimes I receive email that are very important that I need to follow up on, but because I'm busy with different things, so I will just flag them so that I can follow up on them. Let's say we want to follow up on this first email, so just press Ctrl Shift G and it will open a flag box. In this box, we can easily leave it in follow-up, but if you want to do different things to it, let's say for more information or you want to forward, or you just want to make notes like you don't need a response to this, so you can flag it accordingly, and you can also set a date and probably maybe a reminder when you really want to go back to this, and press OK once you said that. Right now, that shows the flag. And if you don't want to flag it anymore, you can press Ctrl+Shift+G to go back to flag. Just clear the flag, and that will remove the flag. Or you can also go to the flag here and clear the flag. That will clear the flag for you as well. Number 9, sometimes at work, you want to send an email to someone. You remember either their first name or their last name, but you don't remember their email. One thing you can do, you can quickly search address book. So how to do this? Press Ctrl+Shift+B, and this will open address book. Let's say you know their first name, 𝗙𝗶𝘁. If you put this, just press enter, and this will search how many 𝗙𝗶𝘁 you have there. Probably, maybe because you know either their first name or last name. You can easily identify this person. But what if you have so many 𝗙𝗶𝘁 on the list and you don't remember their last name? You can easily click under the address book and filter by department. So you can click their department to see how many 𝗙𝗶𝘁 they have under that department. So let me click on this. And right now you see there's no one, on this department bearing 𝗙𝗶𝘁. So that way you easily get to the name that you are looking for. Number 10, let's say we are looking for a particular file or name or anything. We want to quickly search our email to navigate to this particular attachment or email or anything. So what we can do, press Ctrl+E, and this will go straight to the search box. And if, let's say, we are looking for a training material that someone sent to us, so you can write training, or if you know the particular thing, maybe name of a person or anything, so click on that, and this will bring out like the training material that we have in our inbox. If we want to search more than our inbox, maybe it's already in deleted file or in sent file, we can change this box to whatever we want to search in subfolder, or we want to search all Outlook items. So let's click on all Outlook item and see, and press enter again. And now that we press enter again, so it's showing us everything that has training to it, even the attachment that we tried to send before. And when we look this is in deleted item, this also in deleted. We see this in our inbox, and it's even showing in draft. So it brings out everything that related to training material, either in the inbox, in the deleted file, in archive, anywhere it is. It searches everything on the system and it brings it out. And that brings us to the last shortcut that I have for you. Let's say we want to select everything in this inbox right now. So we can press Ctrl+A, and that will select everything. This shortcut alone might not make sense, but what if we combine it with different shortcuts? Let's say we want to move all this folder to different folder. So we already select it with Ctrl+A. We can press Ctrl+Shift+V to open where we want to move all this item to. Let's say we want to move this into our sent item. So when we click on sent item, press OK, and this will move everything to sent item. As we see, there's nothing in the delete item again. Everything has moved to our sent item. These are a few tips that save me time and keep me productive at work. If you enjoyed the video, kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for staying with me, and see you in the next video.